Mr. Narendra Modi receives a ceremonial warm welcome upon his arrival in Malé, Maldives on Friday, July 25, 2025. India and Maldives announced the initiation of negotiations for the launch of free trade agreement between two countries. Maldivian President Mohamed Mujju on Friday announced the beginning of the negotiations for the launch of free trade agreement between the two countries during a joint press conference in Malé with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a wide-ranging talks with Maldivian President Mohamed Mujju, focusing on consolidating the cooperation in areas of trade, infrastructure and defense, making a major turnaround in the ties after a spell of unease. India and the Maldives fully understand the challenges of climate change and environmental degradation. Prime Minister Modi said that India and Maldives fully understand the challenges of climate change and environmental degradation, and we are committed to doing everything possible to boost the sustainability. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced a $565 million credit line and launched free trade talks with Maldives. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's two-day trip, which began on Friday, is aimed at boosting India's development partnership with the Maldives. Indian Prime Minister Modi said the credit line was central to that goal. This will be used for the projects linked to the infrastructure development in line with the priorities of the Maldivian people, he said. Adding to that, he said they would also finalize a bilateral investment agreement. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed his gratitude and reaffirmed his ties between India and the Maldives during an official banquet hosted in his honor by the Maldivian President Mohamed Mujju. Emphasizing the depth of bilateral relationship, Prime Minister Modi said, India-Maldives relations are centuries old. We are neighbors, partners and true friends who stand together in times of need. Maldives hold a special place in India's neighborhood first policy. This is not just a diplomacy, but a depth of relation affinity. Continuity of recent high-level engagement, saying last year the President Mohamed Mujju visited India on a state visit. Now I have received the opportunity to be the first state guest of his tenure. He added, arriving here as a guest of honor on 60th Independence Day of Maldives is an honor for me. For this invitation, I express my gratitude on behalf of all the people of India and extend my heartfelt greetings to the people of Maldives. Thank you.